Hello everyone, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on the process of signing yourself up for a new Beanstack account. So when you want to log in through our website, you can go to yorklibraries.beanstack.org and it will redirect you to our Beanstack site with York County Libraries. From here, you then have the option to read reviews of others that have written book reviews, share your code if you had received one from another person who had shared a code with you to sign up, or you can sign in directly into your old account. If you are new to Beanstack, you will want to scroll down to where it says register an individual or family. It will then ask you, have you previously used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge? If you think you have, go ahead and click the yes, and it will prompt you to try and log in. If you do not know your username or password, you would then have the option to email the username or password to yourself. But if you are still having trouble logging in and you think you do have an account, go ahead and click the Contact a Library Administrator link to send us a message. From there, you can then click on the No option if you are setting up a Beanstack account fresh. You then have two questions now. How would you like to register? Would you like to register for yourself as a reader, or are you registering your children as readers under you? If you have multiple children, I would highly recommend using the adult registering a child option, so that way you can be the controller of the account and can log multiple children under one profile. So let's click this, for example, today. It will then say you can quicken your process of registering by registering with your library card. But if not, you can then go in and say your adult information at the top. So all of your information goes in here, not your child's information. And then after that, you've filled in all of that information, you'll scroll down to the reader information and you can fill in all of that information here. And then it would ask you, yes, would you like to receive email recommendations? And you can go forward with setting up your account. After you've created everything that you'd like to move forward with, you can then have the option to add another reader to this particular account. After you've filled out all of the information on your form, you can go ahead and click the Next button. And then it will ask you if you would like to register for one or two programs available to your reader. After you've registered for a program, you'll then be able to see if any badges have unlocked and rewards that may have come with it. And then from there, you'll then be registered properly. And if you say next, you then have the option to add another child, another reader. So if you are done with adding readers, you can go ahead and say no. If you want to continue adding people, you say yes, and you'll have that same form again. And then it would ask if you'd like to register yourself. If you would like to register yourself as a reader, you can go ahead and do so here. And then from there, it'll say you're all good to go. And then from here, you'll be able to access all of the programs you're enrolled in and anything that might be available to you. So if you, per se, did not sign up for Scouts, but you want to then, you can go in and say, register for this challenge. You can view all of your information here. And from there, you're good to go and you're ready to start logging.